then finding its way into the emperor's bedchamber. Chamber means bedroom, chamber means room. First of all, the nightingale came into the palace and sat in the garden, and from there it sang. After that, it found the way into the emperor's bedroom. It sat on the bar of the window. You can see in the picture, this is a bar road, okay, that is called bar of the window, and from there it sang. As soon as the nightingale sang, the uneasy feeling and thoughts of death left the emperor. As soon as the nightingale started singing, the thought of death left the emperor. The emperor had a miraculous means wonderful. Miraculous means wonderful. Miraculous recovery. Recovery means return to good health. After listening the song of nightingale, the emperor recovered very soon. He said to the nightingale, "You are so kind. Thank you for saving my life. How can I reward you?" Then emperor said to the nightingale that you are very nice, very kind. How can I reward you? The nightingale politely replied, "You have already rewarded me. My song brought tears to your eyes." He said, "You have already given me prize when I sang a song and there were tears in your eyes. That is reward for me." And after that, the nightingale said, "Allow me to visit you and sing different songs of life for you." The nightingale said, "Allow me to come into the palace and sing different kind of songs of life for you." Different songs of life means as like song of happiness, song of sorrowness, song of victory. These are different there are different kind of songs. Okay, I have flown to far away places and I will tell you my experiences. He said, "I flown to many places. I can share my experiences with you by song." Saying so, the nightingale disappeared. Saying that after saying that, the nightingale disappeared means flew from there. When the emperor's ministers and servants entered his bedchamber to see him, they were surprised to see him sitting up. When the ministers and his servants came to see the emperor, that how is emperor, when they saw the emperor, they were very surprised to see that now the emperor was sitting. That's why they were very surprised. Hale and hearty means healthy and strong. This news spread through China like wildfire, and all the China celebrated his recovery. Celebrated means honored in a special way. This news spread in all China that the emperor is now healthy and strong, and this is news. Because of this news, the people of China celebrate his recovery of king. The emperor ruled over China for many years, and the nightingale always came and sang for him many times during the day. First of all, in the starting of the chapter, the emperor keep the nightingale in the cage. Now the nightingale was free. It came into the palace many times in a day. It sang for the emperor and flew back, or whenever he requested her to do so, or when the emperor request the nightingale to come into palace and sing, that time nightingale came into the palace and sing for the king emperor. Okay, thank you beta.